In this video, we're going to learn how to make gravy, and in this case, mushroom gravy, like a boss. Hello, good to see you again. These are the ingredients we're going to need for our mushroom gravy. Butter, stock, any stock will do. We're going to use leftover turkey stock. For mushroom gravy, mushroom broth would be best, of course. Garlic, finely minced, our sliced mushrooms, and all-purpose flour. So what I've done already off camera is sliced the mushrooms, finely minced the garlic, sauteed the mushrooms in butter and the garlic, and reserved the mushrooms on the side. The next step is to make a simple roux. Simple roux is simply 1 part fat, in this case butter, to 1 part all-purpose flour. I'm only cooking for 3 tonight, so we're going to use 4 pats of butter and 4 tablespoons of flour. Then what we do is we incorporate the flour in the butter. And the reason I chose to do it in this pan is because I wanted to get all those lovely leftover mushroom in the bottom of the pan, just to glaze it with the butter and add that to the gravy. Now I actually have a stainless steel wok whose sole purpose in my kitchen is to help me make gravies. I realize that most of us don't have that luxury, and so that's why I'm using the mushroom pan instead. Now if you are making it in a pan that's this size, you can see how I'm just tilting it towards the bottom and letting the pan do a lot of the work, keeping it all together here as I incorporate the, in this case, turkey broth, turkey stock, into the roux. Now, once it gets to about this consistency, and again, it's going to be personal preference. You're going to get it to the consistency that you or your guests prefer. But once this is how we like it in this household. Once we get it to this consistency, all we do is add the mushrooms. Incorporate the mushrooms into the gravy. Then the last touch is to season to taste. I know this is going to need a little bit of salt. And I did not season the mushrooms, so I could save the seasoning here to the end, and then a little bit of pepper, and we're done. As always, it's a privilege for me to be able to share this with you. Thank you for letting me do that, and thanks for watching.